You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4.
All right, go ahead and open up your math books, or take your math book. Yes, take your math books out. We'll go on to page 181. Looks like that. On the top there, you have some sumas and restas. Why don't you go ahead and do those? Go right ahead. Okay. Next, you have some questions here. How much money does Caleb have, and how much money does James have? If you don't remember, it's been a long time since we talked about this. Let me tell you something real quick. Okay? $1 is the same as 100 cents. $1 es el mismo de 100 centavos. So when you see these two here, these are 2 half dollars. That's the same. This is 1/2 of $1. This is the other half of $1. Un medio de $1, otro medio de $1. So these make $1. Okay? So it's been a while since we talked about that, but just a reminder, these make $1. Okay? So put how much Caleb has here, how much James has here, and then add those two together there. Okay? Go ahead. All right, next we have some sumas. Go ahead and do them. Okay. And then we have some money here. And I want you to write how much money they have both ways. Now, if you don't remember how you do that, on here, you write the number, the money we have, and over here, you write 0 point whatever. Like for here, you have a quarter and a nickel, and that makes 30 cents, 30 centavos. So over here, you would write 0.30, 0.30, $0.30, $0.30. Okay? Go ahead and do those. Okay? And then here, they want you to count by twos, por dos. 17 plus 2 is, and then that plus 2 is, that plus 2 is 23, plus 2 is plus 2, plus 2, like that, okay? 17 más 2, más 2, más 2 son 23, más 2, más 2, más, like that, okay? Go ahead and do those. All right. On the next page, we have something that talks to you about the seasons. Now here in Roatan, we only have 2 seasons, right? We have the rainy season and we have the dry season, or summer and winter, as some of you call it. Right now we are in the rainy season. It's almost over. But here in Australia, what is happening? They have 6 seasons. And they happen during these times of the year. What they're asking you for here is which month of the year these are. Do you know your months of the year? Let's go over them in English and in Spanish. In Spanish, they are enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Right? And how many months are there? ¿Cuántos meses son? There are 12 months. Hay 12 meses. Now let's go over them in English. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. If you were in Miss Susan's class, you remember she taught you a song about those that I'm not going to sing because I'm not a very good singer. But the months of the year in English sound a lot like the months of the year in Spanish, don't they? Except for January. January does not sound like enero. But February sounds like febrero. March sounds like marzo, and so on and so forth. So, I'll answer these first couple questions for you, then you should figure out the rest. Which month of the year is January? ¿Qué mes del año? ¿Qué número mes del año es enero? And that's the first one, right? January is the first month of the year. January to March. Which month of the year is March? ¿Qué número mes del año es marzo? March is the third month. So the 3, okay? Abril is the fourth month. See how this works? Mayo is the fifth month. June is the sixth month, okay? So on and so forth. All right, so go ahead and fill these out. Which month of the year is which, okay? Put the numbers right there. All right, go ahead and do that, and then we will go and talk about the new thing we're going to learn for today. Okay? All right, let's go over to the board and learn the new thing that we're going to learn today. Okay, the thing we're going to learn today is the date, or in Spanish, the fecha. How do you write a date? How do you write a fecha? Okay? When you get older, you're going to be filling out papers, and they're going to want to know what the date is. So how do you write it down? Well, the way they do it in Roatan is what we're going to learn. And here's how you do it. First you write let me erase that there. You write the day, then the month, and then the year, like that. In Spanish, día, mes, año. You write it like that. So, how do you write, let's do my birthday, okay? My birthday is the first day of August, 1985. Primer de agosto, 1985. So how would I write that? Well, first I would write the day. My birthday is the first day, so that's number 1. Uno. Then I put a line here, línea. Then we want the month, the mes. What is the month of August? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. It's the 8th month of the year. Ocho. And then, so I have the day and the month, but another line, and I want the year. 1985. Okay? See how that works? Write the day and the month, then the year. Let's see, let's do Mr. Mark's birthday. Mr. Mark's birthday is the 14th of January, 1955. El 14 de enero a 1955. So, how does this look? Does it look like this? 14, 9, uno for January, 1955. See how this works? Okay. As I am making this video, the day that I'm making this video is the 2nd day of February. El segundo de febrero. That's when I make this video. So how would that look? It would look like this. 2, el segundo día, línea. 2 again for February. 2021. This is the date today as I'm making this. Okay? You're not going to see this video until March, I don't think. Or late February, early March, one of those two. But this is the date. Okay? You see how this works? Let's take a look at how this works on your paper. Your first date there is July 9th, 2027. So, this is the 9th, the 9. And then the month, the mes. What month is July? Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, julio. It's the 7th. 7? Línea. $2027. Okay? Oh, there you go. See how that works? Okay, let's do the next one. October 23rd, 2018. Well, 23 is the day and the month. October. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. It's the 10th. 10? 2018. See how this works? It's not hard. Okay? Why don't you go ahead and do the other two by yourself and see how you can do it. Okay? Go right ahead. Do these two here by yourself. All right, when you're done with those, you have these months here. What they want you to do is circle the month that comes first. So here we have March, marzo, and May, mayo. Which month comes first? Which month is the first month of the year? Does May come first or does March come first? March comes first, so circle March. Which comes first, April or August? April, so circle April, okay? Then do these other two by yourself. And then you have some sumas at the bottom, you can do those. And then when you're done, then you're done. And you can move on to your English class.